Hello, you all. How you guys doing? You're welcome again to my channel, Lolly's Cooking Channel. How are you doing? I thank the Lord for yet another opportunity to be here this morning. How are you? Are you? Honestly, I mean you. How are you doing? I'm fine. I thank God. I give God glory. I want to be talking to you guys today about this channel, this Lolly's Cooking Channel. What bet Lolly's Cooking Channel? It was summer 2022. I was here at home. I had one month off from work, and I was just looking, what will I do with my time? What will I do? And I was that day I was cooking, and whenever I'm cooking, I try to cook 2, 3, 4 pots of soup at the same time so that I will have time to do other things. So, and I just took my phone and I was filming it, and once I finished, and I sent it to my sister, and my sister said, "What is this that you have done?" I said, "I will post it." He said, "Don't post it." I said, "No, honestly speaking, I will post this," but I just end up posting 2 of it, and I find out that, oh, okay, it's something I would like to do, it's something I'm interested in, and that is how we started. And to God be the glory, we are 3,000 subscribers now, and I just give God all the glory. My name is Abimbola. I live here in Greece. I've been living here in Greece for the past 22 years. I came 20. I came 2000, and to God be the glory. I'm not going to tell you that the journey is easy. It hasn't been easy. When I came here, in this country, they don't speak English. Everybody, they speak Greek. And you find out that within the European country, honestly speaking, don't let people deceive you, they don't speak English. So it wasn't easy to get into the society. I could remember one day I needed to buy thread, and I went to the supermarket to look for thread. Honestly, I looked all through the counter. I didn't get. And I went to the cashier, and I don't know what to tell the cashier in Greek that I needed thread. And what happened is I had to take my shirt, I turned it, and I cut a bit of thread, and I showed her, and I told her, this is what I need. And she now said, "Oh, katalaba, katalaba." Then I don't know what is katalaba. So she now went to get it. So it was a struggle for you to get into the language, for you to be able to get your stand and even work. It is a struggle. So when you're going to considering traveling, please do consider not to go to a country that does not speak your language. Is going to give you a setback. You will have a setback. But if you want to go to a country that they don't speak your language, be ready to learn the language and be ready to get integrated into the society. It hasn't been easy. A lot of people that came at that time, they all left. But I was here with my husband, and there was nowhere for me to run to. There was a time, let me tell you guys another story. There was a time when I came, and my husband went to work. What I do is I will sit down at the corridor of my house, and I will start crying. You can't imagine. I'll start crying. What have I put myself in? What am I doing here? I wanted to go back home at that time, but my mom told me that you're married. Because I came here married. I came here to join my husband. You're married. Look for what they do there, and you do it too. But it was not easy. It wasn't an easy journey. But to God be the glory today. I can walk. I can walk. Why I keep saying, oh, I thank God today is Saturday. It is because I leave my house as early as 7 in the morning and come back sometimes 7:30, sometimes 10 o'clock, Monday to Friday. It's not easy. The journey is not easy. I thank God for you people that work from home. Honestly, in the comfort of your house. Wow, that is a good one. I pray one day my channel will grow to the level that I will stay in the comfort of my house and work. Please, if you have idea on how to get this channel to grow quickly, please can you help your girl? I need help. Honestly speaking, it's a cry for help. I need help. So let's look at it today. I'm going to tell you what bets my baking. What bets me baking monthly. I am not doing it as a profession, but I do it as hobby. But before I tell you that, let me tell you an incident that happened one day when I came newly to Greece. I needed to get baking powder, and they have different type of baking powder. Do you know that they have different type of baking powder here in Greece? You have different type of flour. But then I don't understand. I needed to get a baking powder. I went to the supermarket because it's not written in Greek English. It's written in Greek language. And I looked at it. I couldn't Google it because then there was no internet all over. You can imagine. Yeah, there was no internet. And even the phone we were using then was this big Panasonic phone. So I went to the supermarket and I needed to look for baking powder. I started looking all through. I told them. So they gave me one. I got home. I did my cake. It wasn't fluffy. It wasn't baking powder. So I started trying different type of baking powder until I get to the one that I'm using now. So let's get back to our story. What bet is my baking channel, my cake baking every month? I attend a local assembly that every month we have what do they call it? Thanksgiving. And in our Thanksgiving, we have people, we celebrate people that does their birthday monthly or anniversary or something. We just ask them to come together and we cut the cake with them. So I now find out that instead of we getting cake that people will not eat, because most of us are African there. So why don't I do a cake that we know that is our tribe, we know from home. So I said Nigerian cake. Okay, why don't I make Nigerian cake? So and I started making Nigerian cake, giving it to the church every month and to celebrate people. And this is what gets my monthly cake. And since ages that I've been doing it, it's over 4, 5, 6, 7 years that I have been doing this. And this is what prompted me to say, okay, why don't I film a recipe for cake? Thank you so much for watching us. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for the returning subscribers that will always come forward and keep watching. I thank you guys. And if you're seeing us for the first time in this channel, we talk about our faith. We talk about uh, our experience, what we've gone through, and we'll be talking about some businesses, but not for now. We still have a lot that is cooking, but we'll be talking about ideas of what you can do even while you are in Europe, because one mistos, as the Greek says, is not enough. That's to say, one salary is not enough, but we will talk about that. Talk about our faith. Don't let's forget it's important to know where you belong and who you are. The Lord has really helped me this far. Yeah, I'm not taking it for granted. Yeah, it has been the Lord. Thank you for staying with me till now. Love you guys. Thank you so much. Please give us ideas, thumbs up, put off your notification bell. Thank you so much. God bless you.